next concept in continuity and differentiability chapter, that is differentiability means what? Let y is equal to f of x is a real function. The function y is equal to f of x is differentiable at x is equal to a is defined as it is f dash of a, that is f dash of a denoted by f dash of a, and it is defined as f dash of a is equal to limit x tends to a f of x minus f of a by x minus a, students. And here right hand derivative, left hand derivative, both f dash of a plus, students, right hand derivative, limit x tends to a plus f of x minus f of a by x minus a. Left hand derivative is f dash of a minus is equal to limit x tends to a minus, students, f of x minus f of a by x minus a, that is left hand derivative and right hand derivative, the both are equal, and limit h tends to 0, like that also we can define, students. This can be here. One more, this definition can be written as limit h tends to 0 f of a plus h minus f of a by h, x minus a means this minus this h. This definition derivative definition we can written as like this also. The function f of x is differentiable at x is equal to a, students, at x is equal to a. It is denoted by, that notation is d by dx of f of x. We know very well, or f dash of x, or it can be written as at x is equal to a means f dash of a also, f dash of a. Next, coming to in differentiation, chain rule concept, chain rule. Let the function y is equal to f of x is equal to some 2x plus 1 whole power 100 is there, suppose. Find its derivative. Find its derivative, students. Find its derivative. Y is equal to f of x is a function. Its derivative is dy by dx or f dash of x or d by dx of f of x. All these. Here, this is 2x plus 1 is one function, 2x plus 1 whole power 100. This is just like x power n form. Function is x power n form. But in the place of x, 2x plus 1 is there, not x. Just if you see, students, d by dx of x power 100 is there means simply you can write x power 100 derivative n into x to the power of n minus 1. 100 into x to the power of 99, students. But here it is not like this, students. Here you see, here in the place of x, 2x plus 1 it is. Okay, So for this type of functions, how to differentiate means, you can assume let it be u, where u of x is equal to 2x plus 1 students. Now differentiate here dy by dx. I am writing here one more function we introduced, that is u, that can be written as dy by du into du by dx. The both can be written like this, du dy by dx. That is called chain rule. Dy by dx can be expressed as dy by du into du by dx, students. Means differentiate of the function y with respect to u. Differentiate with respect to u. That is dy by du is equal to n into x to the power of n minus 1 students. It is nothing but 100 into u to the power of 99 students. Later, this is u is there, you can write here du by dx is 2x derivative is 1, derivative of 1 0, du by dx value is 2 students. Now this can be differentiated with respect to x, students. Here differentiate with respect to x, that is here differentiate with respect to u, students. Now dy by dx is equal to dy by dx value is equal to, according to this formula, dy by du is 100 into u to the power of 99, du by dx is 2. Totally 200 into u value 2x plus 1 whole to the power of 99, students. This is the chain rule involved in differentiation function. In a function, functions are there like this. Direct method I will explain, students. Direct method, you see, I can write direct method is listen, direct method. If y is equal to 2x plus 1 whole to the power of 100, differentiate with respect to x on both sides, we get, students, you see here dy by dx is equal to, this is in the form of x power n form. It is x power n form. Derivative of x power n formula, n into x to the power of n minus 1, students. Here the n value is 100 into, in the place of x, 2x plus 1, it is 2x plus 1 whole to the power of 100 minus 1, students. Actually in the place of x, 2x plus 1 it is. So d by dx of 2x plus 1 we can write. Now 100 into 2x plus 1 whole to the power of 99, students, into d by dx of 2x plus 1, 2 into 1 plus 1 derivative is 0 because the derivative of constant is 0. Now it is 2 into 100, 200 into 2x plus 1 whole to the power of 99, students. This is direct method, students. Okay, students, you see the exercise 5.2, differentiation exercise 5.2. The first problem is differentiate the following functions with respect to x. Let y is equal to sine of x square plus 5. Chain rule, actually direct method I am using. You see, students, differentiate with respect to x on both sides, we get. That is, students, dy by dx is equal to sin x. Sin x derivative is cos x, students. Actually, what is there in the place of x? X square plus 5. In place of x, x square plus 5 is there. That again you should differentiate. That is equal to cos of x square plus 5. Derivative of x square is 2x. Derivative of 5 constant 0. 5 constant 0. Now you see, students, here sin x. What is there? X plus d by dx of x plus x square plus 5. Until you will get x derivative is with respect to x1. Up to that you can differentiate. This is equal to 2x into cos of x square plus 5, students. 2x into cos of x square plus 5. Next one, cos of x dy by dx is equal to cos x. Derivative of cos x is minus sin x, students. Minus sin of sin x. Here cos x. What is there in place of x? Sin x is there. Again, you can differentiate sin x with respect to x. Minus sin of sin x. Derivative of sin x is cos x. That's all. Next, coming to sin of ax plus b. Same, you can write differentiate with respect to x on both the sides. We get, you can write dy by dx is equal to sin x derivative is cos x, students, into d by dx of ax plus b. That is cos of ax plus b into derivative of ax is a, derivative of b constant 0. That is equal to a into cos of ax plus b. We can write as a into cos of ax plus b. Here again we can write dy by dx is equal to secant x. Derivative of secant x is secant x into tan x. Tan of tan root x. Derivative of secant x. Formula secant x. Formula is secant x into tan x. What is there in place of x, students? X plus tan of root x is there. We can differentiate d by dx of tan of root x. D by dx tan of root x you can write. Now it becomes secant of tan root x, tan of tan root x into derivative of tan x. Again here it is root x is there. You can consider as x. Tan x derivative. Derivative of tan x is secant square x into d by dx of what is there in x place? Root x. In place of x, root x it is. Now it becomes secant of tan root x, tan of tan root x into secant square root x. Derivative of root x is 1 by 2 root x, students. This is final simplification. Derivative of root x is 1 by 2 root x. Okay, students, let us see the next. Coming to here, one UV formula method is there. See, I will write here d by dx of UV product rule is equal to u into d by dx of v plus v into d by dx of u. Okay, students. So you can write shortly uv whole dash is equal to u into v dash plus v into u dash. Chain rule in differentiation. Okay, for product rule, dy by dx is equal to first function into derivative of second function sine square x to the power of 5 plus students here sine square x to the power of 5 we write here d by dx of cos x cube you can write. Now I am writing you say cos x cube into sine square x to the power of 5 means x power n form students n into x to the power of n minus 1 into here d by dx of x power n. In place of x, sine of x power 5 is there. X power n. N into x to the power of n minus 1 derivative of sine x is cos. Okay. Next, sine square x to the power of 5 derivative of cos x is minus sine x. Derivative of cos x minus sine x into d by dx of cos x minus sine x into d by dx of x cube students. Now we say 2 into cos x cube into sine of x power 5 into sine x. Derivative is cos x. Derivative of sine x cos x into x power 5 derivative students d by dx of x power 5 minus sine square x power 5 sine x cube derivative of x cube 3x square, that is over 3x square derivative is over. Here x power 5 derivative you can write 2 into cos x cube sine to the power of x power 5 cos to the power of x to the power 5 derivative of x power 5 n into x to the power of n minus 1 students minus here 3x square into sine square x power 5 sine x cube. Now here 5 into 2 10 cos x cube sine x to the power of 5 cos x to the power of 5 into x to the power of 4 minus 3x square into sine square x to the power of 5 sine x cube. That is simplified form of that UV formula chain rule. Now this is important students. You see 7th one dy by dx is equal to it is root x. What is the derivative of root x students? 1 by 2 root x. Here root x, x plus cot of x square is there. Root x 1 by 2 root x. 1 by 2 root x into derivative of d by dx of cot of x square. Cot of x square which is equal to 1 by cot of x square root 1 by root of cot of x square into cot x derivative of cot theta minus cosecant square theta derivative of cot x minus cosecant square x into d by dx of x square students. Now it becomes x square. Derivative of x square is 2x. you can write 2x. dy by dx is equal to minus cosecant square x square, derivative of x square is 2x students. Here derivative of x square is 2x, 2x into cosecant square x square by root of cot x square students. Root of cot x square. Again, one more problem here. You see, y is equal to cos of root x. That is dy by dx is equal to cos x minus sin x into dy by dx of root x. Derivative of cos x minus sin x. What is in place of x? Root x. Derivative of root x you can write now. Minus sin root x. Derivative of root x 1 by 2 root x. That is minus sin of root x by 2 root x. That's all students. Okay. Okay students, you see the 9th and 10th problems, modulus function given. Prove that the function is not differentiable at x is equal to 1. That is, differentiation definition f dash of a minus f of x is equal to limit x tends to a minus f of x minus f of a by x minus a students. That is, right hand derivative at x is equal to a is limit x tends to a plus f of x minus f of a by x minus a students. It is denoted by f dash of a. Okay, if the both are equal, then the function f of x is differentiable at x is equal to a. Otherwise, it is not differentiable at x is equal to a students. Given function is f of x is equal to modulus of x minus 1 student. This can be written as x minus 1 if x minus 1 greater than or equal to 0. Minus of x minus 1 if x minus 1 value is less than 0 students. Which is equal to, that is f of x is equal to, can be written as x minus 1 students if x greater than or equal to 1. That is minus of x minus 1 if x is less than 1. Okay. Now left hand derivative at x is equal to a is limit f dash of 1 minus is equal to limit x tends to 1 minus f of x minus f of 1 by x minus 1 students. Limit x tends to 1 minus f of x tends to 1 minus means x less than 1. F of x value is minus of x minus 1 and f of 1 value is students 1 minus 1 by x minus 1 students. This is 0. The both are cancelled. We get minus 1. Here clearly at x is equal to 1, f of x is what? At x is equal to 1, f of x is x minus 1. That is left hand derivative value at x is equal to 1. right hand derivative value at x is equal to 1 is f dash of 1 plus is equal to limit x tends to 1 plus, that is x greater than 1 student. Okay, f of x minus f of 1 by x minus 1. Limit x tends to 1 plus means x greater than 1, f of x is x minus 1 minus f of 1 value is same students x minus 1. 0, both are cancelled, will get 1. Very clear, left hand derivative value is not is equal to right hand derivative value at x is equal to 1. Hence f of x is not differentiable at x is equal to 1. Therefore, f of x is not differentiable at x is equal to 1. At x is equal to 1, it is not differentiable. Now, coming to greatest integer function strength. Greatest integer function is between 0 to 3 is not differentiable at x is equal to 1 and x is equal to 2. They given. Okay. How to prove? You see, given function is student f of x is equal to greatest integer function 0 less than x less than 3. Okay. Now, at x is equal to 1, we can discuss at x is equal to 1. At x is equal to 1, suppose x tends to 1 minus, means x value is less than 1 student. X value is less than 1 means that is x value is equal to, here 1 is there means its neighborhood is 1.1, 1.2, 1.999 students. This is 2 students. We can leave it. This is 0.999 students. 0.8 like that it is coming here students. 0 like this it is coming. This is 1. Okay. X less than 1 means x less than 1. X less than 1, its integer value less than 1, greater than 1. Greatest integer function x less than 1, that is greatest integer function value is 0. Suppose x tends to 1 plus students implies x greater than 1. If x value is more than 1 means 1.1, greatest integer value of 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, all are 1 only. Here 0.9, 0, 0.8 step function, 0.7, 0, step function of 0.6, 0, like that. That is here step function value is equal to 1 student. You keep both the values in your mind. Now you can calculate left hand derivative at x is equal to 1 and right hand derivative at x is equal to 1 students. Now f dash of 1 minus is equal to limit x tends to 1 minus f of x minus f of 1 by x minus 1 students. Limit x tends to 1 minus f of x value is x less than 1. If x is less than 1, greatest integer function value is 0 minus f of 1 value students. Here I will write f of x is always step x, f of 1 value student step function of 1, 1. Suppose step function of 2, value is 2 only, students. Integer means integer only you will get. So f of 1 is 1 by x minus 1. That is, you can write it as x minus 1. Therefore, minus 1 by 0, x tends to 1 minus means x value 1. If you write 1 minus 1, minus 1 by 0, students, minus infinity. Its value is minus infinity. Now, you can write it as right hand derivative at x is equal to 1. F dash of 1 plus, students, limit x tends to 1 plus f of x minus f of 1 by x minus 1, limit x tends to 1 plus, 1 plus means x is greater than 1, step function of x value is 1 minus 1 by x minus 1, student. This value is 0, student. 1 minus 1, 0. Okay, students, that one left hand derivative value is minus infinity, right hand derivative value is plus 0. Therefore, left hand derivative is not is equal to right hand derivative. Therefore, f of x is not differentiable at x is equal to 1. Similarly, you can do it, f of x is not differentiable at x is equal to 2. Similarly, same we will get.